The assembly code uniformat classification text location can now be modified from its previous hard-coded location. Your path options are absolute, relative, or at library locations. When you load the file, a Reload Successful dialog box will appear. The assembly code file is now loaded into the document. Even if it cannot be located, the last loaded version is available. If the file cannot be located, a dialog indicates an unsuccessful reload. Once the file is located, you can browse to it, reload, and a successful dialog box will appear again. Another performance enhancement to improve your workflow.